Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming credentials and environment variables so requests authenticate properly. Next, run the test kit installer and check the CLI version. Once installed, initialize a workspace and import the sample collection to avoid guesswork. Then set the base URL, per request timeouts, and default auth headers so every test uses consistent settings. As you start the first run, watch logs for immediate failures and note response codes to guide the next adjustments. You now execute complex flows by chaining requests with variable extraction and environment overrides. This lets you test realistic sessions and state changes. While running, assert response schemas, status codes, payload sizes, and latency thresholds to detect regressions early. Use request mocking for third-party endpoints and simulate rate limits or error conditions so tests remain deterministic. Once tests complete, collect detailed reports and error traces to prioritize fixes and reproduce failures locally for faster debugging. You finish by exporting test reports and artifacts for CI, tagging the passing collection for staging deployment, and archiving the run metadata. Make sure to notify your team with the failure summary and attach the request/response snippets that matter most. If anything fails, rerun a focus task with verbose logging and time slice reruns to isolate the culprit request. Often misconfigured headers or timeouts are to blame. Finally, apply the minimal fix. Rerun the suite and promote only after green results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.